Let's do a word problem from section 4.1. So we call the compound interest formula if a principal P is invested for T years at an annual rate R, compounded N times per year, then the amount A, or the ending balance, is given by this formula. A is equal to P times the quantity 1 plus R over N, that quantity raised to the N times T. So if interest is compounded at every instant, which is like taking a limit, so if N goes to infinity, then we have a new formula. We have continuous compounding formula. If a principal P is invested for T years at an annual rate R, compounded continuously, then the amount A, or ending balance, is given by this formula. A is equal to P times E to the R times T. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a problem that requires that formula. So for example, an investor wants to have a retirement nest egg of $5 million and estimates that her investment now will grow at 7% compounded continuously for 30 years. What amount should she invest now in order to achieve this goal? Well, again, we have the formula A is equal to P E to the R times T. So what this problem is asking for is how much she should invest now. So really what's being asked for is the principal. See, we want the ending balance to be $5 million. So that is A. A is equal to $5 million. The interest rate is 7%, so we'll write that as 0.07. And then the time is 30. So T is in years. So filling in for everything, we have $5 million equals P times E to the 0.07 times 30. So to solve for P, you're just going to need to divide both sides by E to the 0.07 times 30. Now 0.07 times 30 is 2.1. So this is the same thing as saying P times E to the 2.1. Now to get P by itself, what you're going to do is you're going to raise both sides. And so you're going to multiply both sides by E to the negative 2.1, which is the same thing as, dividing both sides by e to the 2.1. So we have again 5 million equals p times e to the 2.1. So I'm dividing both sides by e to the 2.1. So what that says is this: p is equal to 5 million times e to the negative 2.1 So what we end up with, using your calculator, you get 612,282.14. So it's $612,282.14. So the idea is she invests this amount today, and in 30 years, assuming this compounded continuously at 7%, she'll end up with $5 million.